Hello children, I will be taking another question which has come in JEE Advanced 2022 in physics. See, this is also a very good question. At time t is equal to 0, a disk of radius 1 meter starts to roll without slipping on the horizontal plane with an angular acceleration of alpha, that is 2 by 3 radians per second square. A small stone is stuck to the disk at time t is equal to 0. It is at the contact point of the disk and the plane. Later, at time t is equal to under root pi seconds, the stone detaches itself and flies off tangentially from the disk. The maximum height in meter reached by the stone measured from the plane is this: half plus x by 10. The value of x is what? That is to be found out. It is a very good question. There is concept of circular motion as well as the concept of projectile. The combination of these two concepts is used over here. चलो तो प्रोसीड करते हैं. क्या दिया है? दिस इज अ सर्कुलर डिस्क, एक डिस्क, राइट? It is not made exactly circular, so this is circular disk and it is rolling on this horizontal surface. Center of this disk is this one. ठीक है? Very important thing is without slipping. We have studied rotational motion, rolling motion. Is that when it is rolling without slipping, at that time its velocity at the contact point, this point for the ground it is already at rest. Here also with respect to this, velocity of this point of the disk will be 0, right? अब यहाँ पर point of contact at t is equal to 0. Angular acceleration is given, alpha is given, that is 2 by 3 radians per second square, right? And at t is equal to 0, radius is given. Suppose this is the radius and radius is equal to 1 meter. Acceleration is this: at the point of contact the velocity is 0, so I will say that here linear translational velocity is 0, means angular velocity will also be 0. At t is equal to 0, angular velocity omega will also be 0. At time t is equal to under root pi, suppose it comes over here. It comes over at the point A, and suppose it has moved and angular displacement is theta. What we are supposed to find at this point, what is the angular velocity, right? Rolling without slipping, so angular velocity, as is there is acceleration, so angular velocity is not constant, but here angular velocity and the translational velocity both will be 0. From here it has started, and after time t is equal to under root pi seconds, it has reached at the point E. यहाँ पर आने के बाद इसका angular velocity क्या होगा? So we will use the equations of motion for angular velocity. That is, suppose here the velocity is omega, and over here it is omega 0 is 0. Velocity over here, I will say initial velocity is omega 0 is 0. So we know one thing: omega is equal to omega 0 plus alpha t, right? And for angular displacement, we can use the formula theta is equal to omega 0 t, right, plus half alpha t square. These two things we will find out. This is the formula for angular velocity at time t, and that is the formula for angular displacement in time t seconds. So we will find this angular velocity. So omega is equal to 0 plus t is equal to under root pi and alpha is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into under root pi. Therefore, omega is equal to 2 under root pi by 3. So this is the velocity, angular velocity of that particle at the point A. So we can find the linear velocity. Suppose linear velocity is v, that will be r omega, and r is 1, that is 2 under root pi by 3, that is equal to 2 under root pi by 3 meters per second. Therefore, v is equal to this. Linear velocity is known over here now. I will find angular displacement. Using this formula, you can find angular displacement. Therefore, theta is equal to omega 0 is 0. Initially it was 0. At t is equal to 0, it is 0. 0 plus half. Alpha is 2 by 3 and t square is equal to pi. This 2 and this 2 will go. We will get pi by 3 radian, that is equal to 180 by 3. It is 60 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degree. So this theta is equal to 60 degree over here. Now, its velocity will be tangentially. यहाँ पर जो velocity रहेगा ये tangentially रहेगा, v, tangential velocity. So we will find the angle, this angle by which it will be just flying off. देखो, this is 60 degree, so this will be 30 degree, and since it is tangential, it is 90 degree. Again, this will be 60 degree. So this angle by which it is making with horizontal, it is flying off with the angle 60 degree. It is just like projectile motion, right? इस velocity से जा रहा है, तो velocity कितना निकाला हम लोगों ने? 2 under root pi by 3 meters per second. इस velocity से angle with horizontal is 60 degree. Then what will be the maximum height? We are having formula. Its situation is like this. This is horizontal line and this is the projectile. It will be going like this. This is the maximum height and this is velocity v. This angle is 60 degree, right? And of course, suppose it is alpha, and this is the direction of linear velocity, and this is the maximum height. Maximum height from this surface, right? And this height will also be added in this. That will be done later. Suppose it is small h, and this height will be the capital H. So यहाँ से हम height निकालेंगे capital H. So we know for the projectile h is equal to u square sin square alpha in this case upon 2g. ये फार्मूला हमको पता है. U square sin square alpha upon 2g, where u is the initial velocity. Here it is v. So in that case, value of v is known, 2 under root pi by 3. वैल्यू रख देंगे यहाँ पर, तो क्या होगा देखो भाई, u square 2 under root pi by 3 whole square sin square 60 degree upon 2 into g square. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं, तो क्या मिलेगा? स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 4 pi by 9 into sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 means 3 by 4 upon 20. ठीक है? So इसको simplify करेंगे. This 4 and 4 will go. 3 times will come. Right? So this is equal to pi by 60. pi by 60. That is this height. And this height will have to be added. ये height जोड़ना पड़ेगा ना, ये height. So what is this height? This is R and this suppose is O and this is P and Q. We want PQ. So here PQ is equal to small h is equal to what? R minus, and this is R cos theta. That is R minus. This is R. R. This height क्या हो जाएगा? R cos theta, and total height, that is OQ. OQ is R. OP is R cos 60 degree. So that is R cos 60 degree. So R is 1 minus 1 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. So that is 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 simply. So total height, maximum height is equal to H max is equal to H plus small h. ये हो जाएगा टोटल हाइट. यहाँ सरफेस से लेना है, सो इट विल गो अप, ऐसा ऐसा करके यहाँ गिरेगा कहीं. सो दिस इज द टोटल हाइट हो जाएगा ये. So that is capital H and this is small h. Capital H, small h. Height हो जाएगा. So capital H is this pi by 60 and this is pi by 60 plus half. Right? This is the maximum height we got. H max. H max is given, that is half plus x by 10. If you compare these two, what is x? Comparing these two. चलो भाई इसी जगह कर देते हैं, इस स्पेस को यूटिलाइज कर लेते हैं हम. ठीक है, हम लिखेंगे हाफ प्लस x by 10 is equal to half plus pi by 60. So हम लिखेंगे 1 plus, therefore 1 plus x by 10 is equal, sorry, it is not 1 by, that is 1 by 2 plus x by 10, that is 1 by 2 plus pi by 60. हाफ से हाफ कैंसिल हो जाएगा, therefore x by 10 is equal to pi by 60. So this will also go, therefore x is equal to pi by 6, and this is the answer. X is equal to pi by 6. So there is a combination of rotational motion, circular motion, as well as projectile. Combination of all the three. Here, concept is this: how to find this displacement, how to find theta, how to find the angular velocity, how to apply all these, right, in finding the maximum height. Maximum height is not h. This height plus this height. Because we are from the ground, we are considering maximum height. So this is to be understood. I think you have understood it well. So we will meet with another problem of physics and mathematics later. Till then, all the best. Take care.